Hey guys, Ian here. And today I'm playing something different of my own. And also I'm in a call. Just to let you know. I am in a call. And you're wondering why my task bar is different. Is my character real? And yeah, Michael, I'm recording. Is my character real? No. Does it look like I'm real? No. Alright. No, I don't really play Fortnite. Alright. Guys, this is gonna be a social game. It's an online. So yeah. And my character male. Yes. Why would I be a female? Ugh. Oh. Oh my god. I clicked yes. There's a new hat for 1,000 Robux. Does my character wear shoes? Yeah. I'm not really wearing shoes right now. Is my character an adult? No. Does my character have powers? I wish I did, but no. No, I'm not part of a children's TV show. Why would I? Is my character animated? No, because he's not real. No, I've actually never been in a movie. Is my character from YouTube? Yes! Does my character wear a diaper? No, I don't wear nappies. Sorry, Akinator, but I'm just yes, he does. Oh no, I don't have a driver's license. No, I'm not in FGTV. I'm not. Does it look like I am? Does my character have an older sibling? Yes. Does my character eat breakfast? Yes. No. I've never seen my character. 'Cause it's fake. Does my character have an older sister? Probably. Probably not. I'm just gonna go with that one. Alright. Alright, guys. Don't know what that means. But no. Alright. Alright. I'll go back to Roblox when I'm finished recording. My screen making like an idiot. Okay. Is my character a child? Yes, he is. Does your character have a brother or sister who is a YouTuber? Don't know. Don't know. Does my character have glasses? No. Is my character in a car? No. Yes. I'm not Marshmallow. Akinator, you're forsaken me. Yeah, you're wrong. I'm not from. Too much fun. Yeah, I'd like to continue. Is my character from your family? No. 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 Yes. No. I know how mad you get when I'm doing. No, don't live with a YouTuber. No. 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 No, don't have a son. No. 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 Are you? Guys, why is this game so mean? I hate it. I don't have an imaginary friend. I'd like to continue. Oh my god. No. Yes, I'm a YouTuber. Yeah, I do play Minecraft. Yes. No. No. Wait, popular Discord server. Yeah, I do have a popular. No, wait, no, I don't have popular Discord servers. No, I don't have a crush. No. No, I love technology. No, I'm not in a band. No, I'm not made this now. No. 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 No, I'm not older than 18. No. Yeah, I do live with my brother. No, I don't go on Yandere High. Oh my god. Does your character have a son named Mitchell who pulls pranks on him or her? No. No, I don't use a pickaxe. Mike? Who's Mike? Alright? Is my character a girl? No. 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 Oh, I've not seen myself in person. No, I have never played a video game. I'm not located in California. No, I'm not famous. I think of literally me. Me. Alright, no, you're wrong. I'm thinking about Caden Henry Duncan Sausage. Oh my. Alright guys, that's all for this video. If you did like this, then hit that like button. Then I'll just change this game to Spanish. Hola, soy Akinator. Piensen un... I can't say Spanish. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and we'll see you all next time. Bye guys.